Hello, welcome back to a new vlog. This is the next stage of vlogs in my New York trip. We're about to go down for breakfast, and then I think we're doing the Chelsea area today, shopping, Highline, that sort of thing, which is going to be fun. I'm currently wearing thermals and a dungaree dress because it's going to be cold. Chelsea. Yay! In the world. So we're in the Chelsea market in like a Chinese shop. It's got a lot of tacky things. Like, it's just pure tack. Love it. That is so cute. Little tiny outfit. Oh, that is adorable. Not for $24 though. I have no comment for this. You're in an expensive shop and it's that expensive you can't afford it, so you're trying all the testers to get the most of it. I mean, why wouldn't you have a candle that big? That's bigger than your head. Going into this Starbucks here, because apparently you can see coffee being made and it's ginormous. Look at it. Wow. Oh my god. Whoa. Wow. I don't know where to look. There's rotating coffee. Wow. This is insane. Whoa. Well, I couldn't not come in, could I? Oh, everything is so cool. Oh, it's so cute. Look at those. And the little tiny t-shirts. So, we've just been into the massive Starbucks with all the, like, there's like a factory setting all around. It shows you how to do all the coffee, how they make it, and oh, it's amazing. It's so cool. And then we went into the Disney exhibition shop. So there in Chelsea, there's an exhibition for like, I think art, for like Disney art, and then there's like a gift shop, so we're gonna have a look in there. Some amazing stuff. I've just stopped myself from buying anything, but very expensive. But I still am yet to go into the Disney store in Times Square, so I'm gonna do that later. So essentially we've come towards Chelsea, where the Hudson River is, and then we're walking back along the High Line to the other end, and then getting a bus. So beautiful, so pretty. Like I expected it to be higher, but I suppose that with how it's laid out, it wouldn't be that high. It's so nice to see things from what you've seen on like photos and like online and see it for yourself. So we may, depending on what we're doing later on, we may go see a show, a Broadway show. We might go get like cheap tickets. There's like a ticket stand by the steps in Times Square. So we might go get some Broadway tickets of some sort. And then do some shopping in Times Square when we get back in a bit. And then have some food. We're all talking about McDonald's, so I think McDonald's might be on the cards, to be honest. I think everyone's desperate to try an American McDonald's. It is good. Massive portions, obviously, but really good. Sorry if it's a bit noisy, there's like loads of construction around us. We're currently on, still walking on the High Line, but there's loads of like construction. They're building loads of new buildings, and so it's very noisy. From the bus that I told you about earlier, this morning we got the one route, I think it was like the blue route, and then on the way we're going to do the red route later, so it goes the other side, I think maybe towards Central Park, because the blue route kind of goes from Times Square downtown, and then the other one goes north, I think. So I think we're going to do that because we bought an extra 2 days of our passes, which works really well because we could just get on and off the bus whenever we want to. So it's definitely worth it. I think it's an extra $32 on what we already paid for with our Explorer Pass. We paid for the Explorer Pass, used one of the attractions for the bus, and then just paid for an extra 2 days, which works well for us. Because we can actually use the tour itself and get on and off whenever we need to, so that's really good. It's quite a foggy day today because there's like the big buildings that all like got fog on the top. There's just like layers and layers of buildings and you can't see all of them. Like at the top there is all foggy. It is quite cold today. It's not as cold as it was yesterday, but it's still quite cold.
I know where it is.
Welcome to day 4. We've just been to the Met. I think it's around 1 o'clock now. We've been to the Met this morning. We used the hop on hop bus again, and now we're just at Central Park. So a little stroll. Not sure what plans are later, but obviously I'm taking you along with me so we'll find out. Reminds me of Phoebe and Central Park. We're just walking along and it's so beautiful. The views are amazing. Look, very pretty. Oh my god! We're going to get the bus. We're going to get the bus. We're going to get some food. Yum yum yum. Food food food. Yum yum yum. To get the bus from Central Park opposite the Met. I'm gonna get some food because I'm hungry. Oh my god, look at the food too. We got want to share. It looks amazing. Oh my god. So this is a cowboy burger, bacon, cheese, beef, and then fries. So we're back at the hotel now. Last time I showed you was Empire State. So we basically just had a look up there for a while and then we just got some snacks and came back to the hotel. Well, we did have a cheeky McDonald's. Well, not a tea because we were really full from like a late dinner earlier. We had a McFlurry and some cookies. So good. But I look like a mess because we've been walking all day and I'm very tired and hot. I've got my Mickey pajamas on. So yeah, I look great right now. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. And my next vlog will be out after this one, so I'm just gonna carry on that after. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you really enjoyed it. Please come back for the next one. But please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. But for now, I'll see you soon. Bye!